Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Spotify most played. You probably been on Spotify for a while and you want to find what is the songs or artists or playlist that you play the most on the app. You just need to go or you need to use the third party. You can't find it on the Spotify, so you just need to go to your browser and then here click on my Spotify most played like this. Okay, so here you'll find the apps or the website that is used to find your top Spotify. You can just use one of this. Okay, so but I currently or I usually use Receptify. So you can just use any of those websites, or you can use also this ones like Mind, anything, or it is fine. So you can just choose that fits your needs the most, I guess. So here on Receptify, you can just log in with your Spotify. So the other website will probably require you to log in also. So here is my the option on Receptify. You can choose to sort by the top tracks, top artists, or top genre. For example, I want to know my most played based on the artist. Just click on top artist and you can choose whether you want to know the most played on last month, last 6 months, or all time. I'm going to choose all time, and here if you scroll down you'll find the most played on my Spotify. Okay, if you want to download it, just click on download image. Okay, so I think that's all. That is how you can find your Spotify most play. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you all in next videos. Bye.